Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to a new video. So today we are here with the new 2025 Mercedes-AMG and this is the G63 performance package, the best G-Class ever made. If you enjoyed this episode, smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Turn on all notifications so notified for all upcoming episodes. Biggest change of course is the keyless. You can close if you just press here and you can open if you insert the palm. So let's do close, and you can also turn off the engine like this. I have a key in my pocket now. So now the vehicle is closed. You can put your palm just here and now it unlocks, as you can see, also there. So lock. So you need to put your palm like this in order to open and close. Only this. Don't put your palm there and don't close like this, because it will not. Sometimes it will close, but it's better only press here from outside. You still need to press here to open the door, and G-Class door sound is still here. Alright guys, so let's take a look here at the interior. You can see this beautiful red here in the sun, carbon fiber Burmester speaker, really nice leather Napa black. Also check out here the AMG, this is illuminated. You can see also AMG floor mats, Burmester surround sound system, and definitely the biggest star of the show is this new steering wheel. Check it out, really lovely. This one is with the carbon fiber and Dynamica, and here we can see the seats, diamond stitching, and really gorgeous AMG logo. So let's hop inside. So here we are looking at the new steering wheel. I have to say that before, as I told you from the exterior, once again here I thought, okay, steering wheel, infotainment, but it really transforms the car in a great way. Also check out here, we have the new ambient strap, really nice, this one, and it illuminates here the middle console. You can also see it here from this side, really lovely for sure. So here we can see the new infotainment system. This is a classic one. You can see the temperatures. You can change also what is in the middle. And then you have also Super Sport, which I really love. And yeah, with this one you can also see a bunch of stuff. And as with other AMGs, it really transforms AMG to a new design. So it really transforms AMG to new design. Let you know how to like this. Carbon fiber really enhances the interior together with the new design of the differential locks. You can see this one is the front one, middle one, and the rear one. You can see also low range and manual mode. So here we can check out quickly the performance for the new G63. You can see the vehicle here. This is also touchscreen, finally. Engine, but also you can use the touchpad here. Engine, you can see data, IWC, Schaffhausen watch. So really nice in my opinion, really gorgeous. Also what I love is here manufacturer branding on the grab handle, traditional grab handle which passenger grabs. It's really sturdy, okay, for the off-road driving, and the beautiful red leather. This is diamond stitching, absolutely fantastic. Check it out. Also here, really like a quality soft leather, really top. So the G-Class is the top product in my opinion. Also check out the glove compartment, really cool. So let's go and check out the back, but it should be the same as before. Let's go and check it out. So here is the back, basically the same ISOFIX for the kits, and armrest here in the middle, two cup holders. Check out here, now we have illuminated USB-C ports, 12-volt socket, and here the temperature as well for the rear passengers. Some storage space, illuminated AMG logos, beautiful doors, carbon, some door pockets, so essentially we can say the same. And check out here how the front looks from the back. Let me know how do you like this. Alright guys, and this is the interior of the G63. In this one we have less bougie spec. This one is like we can say less in terms of the craziness. So you can see black Nappa leather, really luxurious. Also the wood is black in this case, check it out, sort of dark ash wood. You can see the differential locks. These are top one, middle one and the rear one. So first, if you are stuck, you engage the middle one, then the rear one, and then the front one if it doesn't help. So 1, 2 and 3. Also here we have the latest infotainment system, as you can see, NTG7, and the new AMG Performance steering wheel. This one is in full Nappa leather. I really prefer the carbon and Dynamica for the G-Class, a really luxurious version. And you can change, of course, from classic all the way to sport and super sport. Super sport and classic, these are my two favorites for sure. You can always see the temperatures. Top one is for the transmission, then you have the engine oil and of course the coolant. And right now it's 35.5 degrees and it will be even more hot today, so it's 12 o'clock just now. So yeah, diamond stitching here, wood Burmester system, and also the illuminated strip here you can see as well. So you can see it here a little bit better. The illuminated strip looks really cool in the new G63. It looks even better if you have a more white interior. And also for the G63 in Europe, here we have the new speed regulation system. If you want, you can turn it off easily here. Just press on this icon. It's always here in this top left corner. As an alternative, you can hold the mute button and it will do the same job. Check it out. See? So now it's also off. You can also see here settings changed. So depending what you want, hold the mute button or press the icon on the display. So here in the back we can see sneak peek of the interior, which is this beautiful red. You can see the name of the red on the screen. So check out here the sneak peek of the interior. This is red pepper, I believe. Name of the red, carbon fiber trim and G-Class boot. Here is actually, I believe this is the cargo net, which you can connect here. So that's that. Not a lot changes do I see here in the interior. Net on the right side, hooks for cargo, subwoofer, and you can fold the seats 40-60 the split. We have opening here as well. That's basically it. Okay. G-Class doors. So let's check out here the interior. So as I told you, this is manufactured platinum white and black. On the GT we have actually crystal, where we can see the sunroof here. You can open this or close manually like this. Okay, the car is so huge. Okay, and check out the speaker and this amazing steering wheel. This is the new one for the facelift. So let's hop inside. This is like stepping to your house basically. It's so huge, this. And soft close, the G-Class special soft close feature. Check it out. Amazing. So wow, you can go back so you can see the interior nicely. Okay, and you can see electric control for the steering wheel. So this is the new AMG Performance steering wheel, this one in carbon fiber, and 12 o'clock marker here in leather. Really beautiful carbon AMG logo. Check out here the fuel, the fire actually extinguisher, and AMG logo here. AMG controls, dynamic select. So here we have comfort, then we have slippery, individual, sport and sport plus. If you ask why the displays are in matte, I believe this is because we can see here actually this has a film, the wrap, so it has a matte wrap, which I think actually is very cool, and it makes kind of sense because it doesn't reflect as much, but you have still really good visibility on the displays. So here we can see you can change the modes. Also here we have like a hidden off-road mode. Please activate differential locks to use the off. Okay, so we need to activate differential locks, and these are actually new. So you have middle one, then rear one, and front one. So let's activate the middle one. We need to activate here, and you can see off for the traction control. And we are trail mode, we have sand mode, and also rock mode. So you have many modes. You can also see here difference. This is rock, this is trail, and here we can see the sand. And if you want to go back, just press here, you will go back to mode, and also the differential will turn off. So you don't use differentials when you are driving on the road, only off-road, or if you are stuck on road, let's say. Let's close this so this doesn't blow into our microphone. Check out here in the middle this gorgeous carbon fiber. How nice is this? The Mercedes can do unbelievable stuff, and together with AMG it's even better, we can say. So very nice click. And underneath we have two cup holders which are adjustable, also heated and cooled and heated cup holders, so these walls will heat up or cool down. Wireless charger for a phone. I use wired connection for faster charging, and my phone is less hot, so that is not ideal, but that's why I use actually the wire, the cable. And here we have the touchpad, which is usable for some people. Some people prefer to do touchscreen. Finally, you can do that in the facelift of G63. So that is what many people wanted to do. And also CarPlay is actually here on a wide screen, like in all facelift models. You can see here that we have the 360 cameras, so you can do different positions of the camera. Check it out. Front, bunch of stuff here. You can save the camera position. Then we have the car button. So with this one you have car functions, the most basically stuff which you use daily. Also here we have always in Europe now the speed regulation assistant. So speed assistant, you can turn it on or off if you want to use it or if you don't want to use this. So that is available always here. Favorites, so you can see the favorites, consumption, browser, display off, manual. You have telephone, radio, media, navigation, and map, and also volume. Really nice tactic. I have it also in my A class. I really like this button. So yeah, you can use the volume. On the steering wheel we have actually capacitive buttons, so you can see the capacitive. This is for the assistant systems. You can see the distance with the car in front, and also you can set the speeds here. You can cancel, reset, and with this unit AMG control you can change what is shown here. For example, the exhaust you can turn on or off. If you click on the display you can change what is shown there, auto start, stop. So you can also add stuff. Check my video for the tricks with the GLS63. I showed you how you can use this and more efficiently. You can add functions or remove them from this unit, so that is also nice. Check out these clicky buttons. This is so satisfying as well. I love this. And with the menu you can do sync as well. Air quality, check it out. With air quality you can actually have also ionization, fresh or recirculated air mode, first row, second row. So this is proper stuff now in the facelift. Also underneath we have some storage space. So here is glove compartment. You can open it, store some stuff there, and also you can log it here with the blade of the key fob. Also in the GLS63 car functions, hidden features is there, so you can check it out. And check out here the manufacturer carbon fiber on this grab handle. So here this grab handle you can hold when you are off-roading. It's extremely sturdy, so really fantastic once again. And check out here the leather manufacturer, platinum white and black. So black you can see here in the doors, check it out. And this is the platinum white with the AMG logo. Amazing, a little bit darker than in the GT63, but I think it fits the off-road capabilities of this car. And check out here on the top, here we have this amazing suede-like material, really stunning grab handles. So yeah, really gorgeous everywhere you look in the G class. You can also open here the sunroof for fresh air, check it out, and you can close it as well here. Burmester speaker on the top, the glass here is tinted, also Burmester speaker in the back. So in the back seats here we have some basically it's same as in the pre-facelift, so this is we can say the same. And you can also see there the spare tire, check it out. So this is reality, you can see there the spare tire, physical one, with the wheel as well. So that is truly something else. So I'm really pleased with the infotainment system. Also you can change here the Super Sport, Sport, Classic, Understated, Navigation, Assistance, Off-Road. So my favorite is for sure the Classic and the Super Sport. Here you can see the temperatures of the transmission, engine oil and coolant. And also when you are driving, you can always see you can go to drive, you can always see the gear which you have, and also these RPM. So this is, we can say, this sort of classical design which we had when we had back in days, even like 6-7 years ago, we had physical basically gauges. So this is like simulating, and I really love this because in some brands you don't have this anymore. So Mercedes kept it here for those which want to use it. Then we have more modern, like a Super Sport. You have also, if you go into drive, you can see the gear here in the middle and RPMs on the side. So for example, if I use here the throttle, they go to the side, check it out. So yeah, more futuristic, like a fire. So also appreciated, we have something more modern and really nice. So yeah, absolutely fantastic and gorgeous interior here in the G63. I truly love this once again. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know how you like this G63 in the comment section down below. Don't forget to smash the like button if you enjoyed this episode, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.